12 Easy DIY Wood Projects for Beginners. Here are 25 amazingly simple and easy DIY wood projects for beginners to build today. Woodworking does not need to be intimidating. All of these small wood projects don't need fancy workshop or tools. Start building today. Small woodworking projects. These small, easy woodworking projects are perfect for beginners. Most of these projects can be made without power tools using basic tools needed for cutting and joining, aka a saw and a hammer and nail. But if you want to make things a little faster, a power saw and a Craig jig would be perfect. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. 1. DIY Mail Organizer. This DIY mail organizer is super easy to make and the perfect starting point for a beginner woodworker. Yes, no power tools needed, but if you have some, all you need is a miter saw and a nail gun. 2. DIY Wall Folder Organizer. This was one of my first projects. It makes the perfect wall-mounted organizer to hold files, books and pen/markers. I use it for my daughter's homework station, but it works for anyone. All you need to build it is a miter saw and a power drill. 3. DIY Divided Storage Bin. This DIY divided storage bin is a versatile project. Use it to store toys, books, vegetables, whatever you need. Made from scrap plywood, all you need is a jigsaw, circular saw and a brad nailer. I have you covered with the plans too. 4. DIY Jewelry Holder. This is a simple project, using scrap wood and a few other materials. Makes a great organizer and display jewelry. Makes a great handmade gift too. 5. DIY Entryway Shelf with Hooks. This entryway shelf is really easy to build and looks amazing. It is literally the easiest beginner woodworking project. 6. DIY Dinosaur Shelf. Another shelf, this time for the kids. Simple project using a jigsaw and power drill, and of course, dinosaurs. 7. Easy DIY Magnetic Chalkboard for the kitchen. An easy DIY magnetic chalkboard for the kitchen with basic tools. This multifunctional board is perfect to write inspirational quotes, add reminders and also for meal planning. Plus it holds your kitchen towel and apron or keys. 8. DIY Phone Stand for Desk. Learn how to make a DIY phone stand with space to add a quote or photograph using scrap wood. It's a great DIY gift idea and the perfect desk accessory. 9. DIY Lap Desk. This project is simple yet makes for a very functional surface to work from the bed or couch. I added a fun and colorful finish to it. Check out how. 10. DIY Corner Vegetable Storage Bin. Learn how to build a DIY corner vegetable storage bin. It is perfect for root vegetables, other veggies or fruits and makes a great quick kitchen organization project. 11. DIY Spice Rack or Craft Paint Organizer. Create the perfect craft paint storage or spice rack with this simple project is built using a few boards. All you need is a miter saw and a blade runner or scroll saw. 12. DIY Underbed Shoe Organizer. It is a simple box and all you need is a miter saw and a Craig jig. If you want to build the dividers, you might need a scroll saw or jigsaw. It makes the perfect underbed storage and shoe organizer. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.